Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I'm going to show you list view example in Android Studio. So let's start. You can see that this is my simple Android Studio project named test, and first of all change this root level layout to relative layout. Select this one and change this to relative layout and remove this text view. Go to design, search list view, drag this list view and drop to the relative layout and give id list view 1 and go to main activity.java and create a list view object. Name this list view 1 semicolon, and inside your own create method type list view 1 is equal to list view find view by id r dot id dot list view 1 and semicolon. Now you have to create array list of type string, and I'm going to name this array list is equal to new and array list, and make sure to put semicolon at the end. And now by using this object array list, use add method and add some list items like Cubixol, which is a web development company, and Google. Now let me add some list items in my app. So you can see that I have added some items in my array list. So I'm going to copy them and again paste them so I can increase my list size. Now you have to create an array adapter, and array adapter is equal to new array adapter. You have to pass these parameters. First parameter will be this, and android dot r mean resources dot layout dot simple list item 1 and array list. Make sure to put semicolon at the end, and now you have to just use your list view object list view 1 dot set adapter and array adapter. So by using this, when you will run your app, you will see a list of some items, a list of these items. And now I'm going to show you how to set on click listener to these items. Okay, to do you have to type your list view 1 dot set on item click listener. You can see that Android Studio is showing me a suggestion. Just click on this and again type new on item click listener. Android Studio will automatically make this function, and now you have to just type, I'm going to use my toast and clicked item space plus position. So this in position, this variable will give us the ID of the clicked item. So whenever you will click on your item, I'm going to toast that item's ID and plus space double quotation space again plus, and I'm also going to toast that array list item name array list dot get and position. Okay, make sure to use toString method. So guys, let me run the app so I can show you the output of our app. So guys, you can see that our app have been run successfully, and these are the list items that we have been add by using dot add method. And whenever I will click on any item, you will see a toast the ID of that item and as well as the name of that item. I'm going to click on Google, so you can see that this is ID Google, and I'm going to click on Cubixol, so you can see that the ID and the name of that item. Guys, I hope that you must like this video. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to Cubixol YouTube channel for more programming related videos. And finally, thanks for watching.